Hi crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. I am so excited to be unboxing the My Creative Scrapbook main kit with you today. This is the August 2025 kit and it is just filled with the Sunny Days Simple Stories line, which I absolutely love. So let me show you everything that's included. We get lots of little bits and ephemera and words this month, so I'm really excited about that. In fact, there's 3 little packages in here. I'm going to bring out my stack and sort tray so I can open these with you. This is the Echo Park frames and tags, and it's the Here Comes the Sun frames and tags. So this is going to mix very well with this Simple Story Sunny Days line. So you can see here, I love when they have these where you've got the little sentiment card in the center and then you've got the frame. So those frames are not really nice for layering. We've got I Love Summer, Vacay. Here's another frame. So let me punch that out because I do like to use those as layering pieces. We've got this one here. What does this one say? Oh, happy day, it's summer again. And just lots of little summer words. We've got summer vibes, I love summer, lazy days, sunny days, here comes the sun. Just lots of different, very usable words. These would be really great for cards too. I can see putting these on some summer cards. So that's the first pack of ephemera we get. Then we get 2 more. We get the bits and pieces and also the sentiment bits from the Simple Story Sunny Days line. So this is a look at the bits and pieces, and just like it says, it's little bits and pieces that you can use on your pages. So I'm going to flip through a few of these. Look at this adorable ice cream cone. We've got florals, and there's a little surfboard. More florals, a butterfly, the word hello. There's a little hat. We've got some wordy bits here. Butterflies, flip-flops, the word sunny. And we've got summer, some more florals. I love the little sunglasses. We've got a little beach umbrella, more ice cream cones, a little beach bag, the word fun. And there's little pieces of bathing suit. We've got some clouds. Super, super cute pieces here. There's a little lemonade. And then, oh, I love this one with the keys. That one's really cute. More florals. So I'm just flipping through here just to give you an idea of what you get in this kit. Now, the My Creative Scrapbook website has multiple kits that you can get. This is the main kit. They also have a limited edition kit, a creative kit, and an album kit. So lots of different scrapbooking kits to fit your style. Here's a look at the sentiment bits. And there's words in here like soak it up, easy breezy, relax and enjoy. We've got smile. There's the soak it up, sweet. There's even, there's celebrate. There's little birthday words in here too. There's the easy breezy. There's summer. You are the coolest. We've got good vibes. Here's cool. And then, ooh, I like that summer. I like the font and the colors. And you are my sunshine. Little butterfly in here. So there's a couple little icons in this one too. There's the birthday, which my daughter has a birthday in August, so this is perfect. This will be perfect. Happy. And then, what's this one say? Hello. And then we've got smile. Shine. Super cute. All right, so that's a look at all the ephemera. Then you also get a pre-cut cut file every month included in your kit. This one says Hello Summer. But you also receive a code if you're a member, and you can go on the website and cut out the cut file in any size you want. And then I love this Simple Story stencil. It's beach waves. I've actually had my eye on this stencil for quite a while, so I'm excited about that. We received the chipboard stickers, the Sunny Days Simple Stories collection. So a lot of the same repeating icons and colors. Everything mixes and matches and coordinates so well. Every month we receive a sketch included in our kit just to give you a little bit of inspiration, and all of the design team members will share their layouts using the sketch on the 15th of the month. So here's a look at the sticker sheet. I love the little wordy bits on the bottom. We've got the Sunny Days title, pretty much the same ephemera icons that we saw in the bits and pieces, but still very nice to have in a sticker form too. The paper is absolutely amazing. I love this sheet. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but I think this might be my favorite. And then there's the orange polka dots on the back. We've got this one with ice cream. And I love this one too. Oh, and a very nice notebook style paper. We've got some bathing suits on this one. That's so cute. And then this bright pink polka dot. Then we've got this green pattern here with a nice stripe on the back. And you know what? That pink polka dot and the stripe, they would look so good together. I love that color combination. Then we've got some florals here, super pretty. And this is like a ledger paper with some polka dots. Let me hold this up so you can see that. Isn't that awesome? I love this page. We've got some clouds here, and the clouds have some detail. Like it looks like they have stitching on them. So that's really neat and fun. Then we've got some sunshines here on the back. We've got some polka dots on this paper. And then we've got a green stripe pattern. We've got some tags here with some of the icons. You can cut these apart. And then we've got the more like journaling tags on the back. Then we've got some more cut aparts here. And you could also use these. These are like the journaling cut aparts. And then we've got a nice floral design on the back. More cut aparts here that you could use for layering pieces. Good vibes. I love that one. The camera. There's a pink polka dot. Oh my, I love that one too. More cut aparts here. So we got sunny days, relax and enjoy. All the cute little icons. And then we've got a blue stripe on the back. Here's a 4x6 cut apart sheet. So if you ever do like pocket pages, these would be perfect. I love this grid pattern on the back. And then we receive one sheet of this 49 in market paper, which is really, really pretty. And this is, let me see which this collection is. This is from the Spectrum Sherbert. So that is a look at everything that's included in the main kit. I will leave a link listed down below in the description box where it'll take you over to the My Creative Scrapbook website where you can get your kit if you're not already a subscriber. And I will also leave a link to our Facebook page where you can see more inspiration. If you've enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!